Installing a water loop. Fully unfasten the two captive thumb screws located at each end of the water loop carrier. Remove all the plastic grease covers from the underside of the water loop cold plates. Align the triangular marks on the processor retainers with the triangular slots on the underside of the water loop cold plate, and then attach the processors to the underside of the water loop cold plate by inserting the processor retainer posts and clips into the openings on the cold plate. Push all the anti-tilt wire bales outwards to the unlocked position. Check the gap pads on the water loop and replace any that are damaged or missing. Carefully position the water loop over the two guide pins near the rear of the node, and then gently lower it down and ensure it is seated firmly on the system board. Fully unfasten the two captive thumb screws located at each end of the water loop carrier. Unfold and install the other side of the water loop. Push the anti-tilt wire bales outwards to the locked position. Use a torque screwdriver and follow the installation sequence shown on the cold plate label to fully fasten all the Torx T30 captive screws on the cold plates. Unfasten the 24 Phillips No. 2 water loop carrier screws. One at a time, carefully lift each water loop carrier up and away from the water loop. Use a torque screwdriver to fasten the water loop screws. Fasten the screws to secure the quick connect. Install the two VR clamp plates into the nodes and fasten the Torx T10 screws to secure the VR clamp plates. Install the following parts in the tray: cross braces, dim combs, DIMMs, M.2 backplane assemblies, drive cage assemblies, PCIe riser assemblies. Install the tray cover. Install the tray into the enclosure.